Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to provide information on the care and feeding of kittens. Proper care and nutrition are crucial for kittens to grow and develop healthily. You can support us by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. Firstly, let's start with kitten care. Kittens are typically nursed by their mothers for the first few weeks. During this time, the mother's milk provides essential nutrients for healthy growth and strengthens their immune systems. If a kitten is orphaned or its mother is absent, it should be fed with a kitten milk replacement formula recommended by a veterinarian. Hygiene is also extremely important in kitten care. Their living areas should be kept clean, and a hygienic environment should be maintained regularly. Additionally, kittens need their nails trimmed and should be groomed regularly. Now let's move on to nutrition. Choosing a high-quality kitten food is essential for establishing proper nutritional habits. These foods contain all the necessary nutrients for kittens to support healthy growth. Kittens should be fed frequently and in small portions. This aids in better digestion and supports weight gain. Additionally, kittens should always have access to clean and fresh water. Be mindful not to overfeed during the feeding process. Obesity in kittens can lead to health problems. By controlling feeding portions and following your veterinarian's recommendations, you can help your kittens maintain their ideal weight. Lastly, regular veterinary checkups are important for the healthy growth of kittens. Your veterinarian can monitor the health status of your kittens and intervene when necessary. With these basic tips on caring for and feeding kittens, you can help your kittens grow up healthy and happy. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Until next time.